Welcome to Totally RVing. I'm Ken.
I'm Sue, and this is the gang.
Join us on our RVing adventures.
The good, the bad, and yes, the ugly.
Let's go. Okay, we're back at the campground, and we noticed last time we were out that the electric heating element wasn't heating up the water, so I had to go with gas. But we're going to change that element out now, and pretty simple process. We got the new element on Amazon, and there's 3 screws here.
Well, when you do something, it's never easy.
See how you are.
You're getting thin on top.
I'll bet. I think some of that spray you can spray on top looks like hair.
Yeah.
No, it's just simple. It just takes a little bit of time. Take the screws out, and then there's a cover here that covers the electrical stuff. Okay, I shut off the switch here. It's off. Okay, there's a switch right there. That's what you're supposed to turn off, so you don't burn it up.
And you forgot to turn it off.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's probably what happened.
That's probably what happened.
And then there's 2 wires.
Probably what happened the last time we had to replace it too.
Okay, there's 2 screws that just loosen them. You don't have to take them out. Pull the wires off. Now I take this hand tool that I got at Walmart. I got at Lowe's, and it goes right on there like that.
What's the name of this tool?
Element changer, hot water tank element changer.
I thought you said this was a pretty easy process.
As my projects go, this is easy, dear. You know how my projects go.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get wet.
I'm backing up.
All right.
What's that thing called?
Huh?
What's that thing called?
This is the element.
The element. Okay.
Yeah.
I've heard of that before.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop. Somebody's thirsty. Ah, there's the broken one.
Yep, that's the broken one.
Okay. You have to wait till the water's done raining?
Probably not.
Okay.
I mean, I'm a water professional, you know.
I know.
Highly skilled. 48 years in the business.
Yep. That is refreshing though on a hot day like today. Whew.
Just a little bit of pipe dope on there. And it does have a rubber seal, so it seals pretty good. Okay.
So that's almost in?
Yep.
So we just have to go back and
tighten it by hand here a little bit. Now, get my tool back out here again. It has a rubber seal on it. You really don't have to crank on it. You just take it down to its seats. Okay. And here's another little bit.
couple turns.
Once it seats, you just give it like a quarter. like that.
Put the wires back
Put
on?
the wires back on. Start filling it up again.
And then light it. Do you have to light it, or how does that work?
Turn the switch on.
Oh, that's pretty easy.
Yeah.
Oh. You need my little fingers?
You know, that'd probably be better. They work better. That's all right. I got it.
Something little about me.
Here, hold it in there so I can see. Got that on there good? Yeah. Okay. Okay, that was on. Doesn't matter which one goes on where. It's just
You're sure about that?
Yes, because it just makes contact across it to make the heat.
Sorry I'm moving this so much, but the gnats are getting to me. Yeah. Gotta get some repellent out.
I was thinking I'd do this tomorrow when I had daylight. It'd be a lot easier. But, and also thought, I need a shower. So, okay.
Say, just finishing up now.
Yep, gotta get the hole lined up.
That's like a protective cover, right?
Yeah, it's protective cover because there are electrical wires in there.
So when you're done camping and closing up,
You shut the power
you
off.
shut the power
And this will
off.
last for 10 years.
Yeah, okay. So if I come up on a weekend by
Yeah.
myself,
You'll have to turn it
I'll
on.
turn it on and then I'll turn it off before I leave, correct?
Yep.
Like when you turn the water off, this should be off.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I'm going to fill that up with water.
That's man the line. Getting warm. Ooh, we got some hot water coming.